How to install M.2 SSD PS5. One of the advantages that PS5 has over previous consoles is its high-speed M.2 SSD that allows faster data transfer and quicker load times. Purchase the correct M.2 SSD card. Update your PS5 before installing M.2 SSD. Power off and disconnect your PS5. Remove the bottom panel from your PS5. Remove the expansion slot cover. Remove the screw holder and spacer. Insert the SSD. Reinsert the screw holder and spacer. Reinsert the expansion cover. Place the bottom panel back on the PS5. Reconnect your PS5 and power it on. Select Format M.2 SSD on the screen and follow the instructions to format the SSD.